So I bought this on Amazon, and it's to make the lights turn on at night. And this is gonna go on my CRX. It's kind of useless, to tell you the truth, but there has been times where I leave my lights on and I come out from work or wherever I go out, and yeah, my battery is drained. So let's see what comes inside. Wiring, some double-sided tape, instructions. This is the sensor, and I'm gonna be putting this on the windshield. And I don't really know how to wire it, but I'm gonna learn. I don't think it's that hard to do. I will be making a how-to if I make this work. If I do, then keep an eye open. I will be making a how-to on this. I bought it on Amazon. I think I paid like $28 for it, which is not a lot, really. But yeah, keep an eye on it. Like the video, share, subscribe, and I will be posting soon enough.